Assalamu alaikum everyone. I just made another domino setup, and this one is going to be a really special one because it starts with the marble track. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop that marble and it's going to go through the track, like head straight down into the tunnel, up the hill, then down. Then it's going to go do some curves. Then it's going to knock down that slanted domino right here. Then it's going to knock down that whole line. Then down here, this here is the domino tower, which those dominoes are going to knock down that. And here is the domino line, then those sideways slow stems, then it ends up with the Sonoma technique. So this domino setup is called the domino drop. Let's get ready to knock it down. 3, 2, 1. All right, that was awesome. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this domino setup. Be sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below of how you rank this from 1 to 10. And also, guys, follow me on Instagram. There's a link in the description box below. I'll see you guys next time. Assalamu alaikum. Also, guys, once again, as you guys heard me explain, that I haven't been posting any Islamic videos lately. It's because my video editor is studying for his finals, so stay tuned for the next 10 names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, from the 71st to the 80th. Also, subscribe to my other channel, as my Aref Arabic lessons. I post videos once in every 4 days, so stay tuned. Assalamu alaikum. I love you all.